Ciao and buongiorno. In today's Vikram on Prudent Finances video, I'm going to showcase how simple, fast, and easy it is to send money from Italy to Poland. Now I'm on the WorldRemit page, and by default it says send from United Kingdom. I'm based in the UK. WorldRemit is based in the UK, so it's chosen United Kingdom by default. So from here, I first step is to start by choosing the country to send from, which is Italy. And then I quickly navigate to the country to which I want to send to, which is Poland. I click here and I get started. And here you can see send money online to Poland. See, this is the USP, the fact that you can send money online. So you don't need to go to any agent. You don't need to worry about the time at which you're sending money. 24 by 7, anytime, anywhere, you can easily send money. And it transfers to all banks in Poland within as many as 3 working days. And that's the maximum. In all probability, the money reaches much earlier. And in WorldRemit's case, it has got the entire length and breadth of Poland covered. In fact, that's exactly what it confirms itself, whereby from Gdansk to Zakopane, that is from northern Poland to southern Poland, the whole of the country is very thoroughly covered. And WorldRemit is well and truly the fastest, simplest way to send money to friends and family. It's got industry leading payment security, so you don't have to worry about the security of your money. And it is cross-platform multi-device, whereby any computer, smartphone or tablet, as long as it's got internet connectivity, can be used to send money. And bank deposit, as I confirmed, between 1 and 3 days is all that it takes to for the transfer to be completed. So let's go through the process, which will give you that much more confidence in the ability of WorldRemit to transfer money easily. And we've got Poland chosen already, and let's bank transfer is the option. Between send and receive, we stick to receive because we want to be sure that how much the recipient will receive. So let's choose a nominal figure of, let's say, 500 PLN, which the receiver is to receive. In that instance, what we find is that the amount to send is 114.67 euros with a fees of 3.99 euros, whereby the total for you to pay is 118.66 euros for the recipient to receive 500 PLN, with the exchange rate being fixed at €1 equal to 4.36 PLN. These are some really fantastic aspects of WorldRemit because everything is clear and displayed right up front. The fees you're very sure, the exchange rate you're very sure. Vis-a-vis, if I look at, say, normal bank transfers, say transfer like a wire transfer from one bank to another bank directly, you're never too sure of the fees that will be taken. You're never too sure of the exchange rate that will be taken. You're left in a speculative state of mind. Whereas in this instance, there is no speculation whatsoever. I have not even sent the money yet I'm very sure of the fees as well as the exchange rate. Once this is done, you simply click on send and you'll be good to go. Of course, prior to this, you need to have your details and the recipient's details input into the system. So it's as simple as this. I've provided the direct link in the description below this video. You can simply click on that and get to the WorldRemit page yourself without any concerns whatsoever. Now I've chosen this nominal figure of 500. Let's increase it to 1000 and then let's see what happens. You can see that the send amount doubles. The fees remain the same. That's critical. And the exchange rate being taken also, of course, remains the same. So whereby in terms of the fees, you're not affected at all, even while you've doubled the money to be sent. This is again something good because when I compare with Western Union, invariably what I find is that the fees are on a tiered basis. The higher the amount to be sent, the more the fees. So, and that scenario vis-a-vis this particular instance, we find that the fees are very, very nominal. So that, ladies and gentlemen, was a showcase of the way in which you can easily send money online, anytime, anywhere, on any device from Italy to Poland. Before I conclude, I want to highlight the reasons for which you should choose WorldRemit vis-a-vis other money transferring entities. Firstly, low cost. Low fees displayed upfront. That's something I showcased to you. The fees remain consistent even with higher amounts being sent, and Guaranteed exchange rates again displayed upfront. Yet again, I showcase this to you. Then when it comes to speed of transfer, it's instant to many countries, and even in this particular instance to Poland, what we found is that within as little as 1 to 3 working days the money is transferred. And you have send and receive notifications whereby the sender and the receiver both are intimated about the fact that the money transfer is taking place or has already taken place. And it's very, very simple. You don't want something which is very complicated. Often those sending money or those receiving money may not be very tech savvy. You don't want a scenario where things are so complex that either the sender or the receiver, or maybe even both, are not able to go through the process. In this instance, as I showed you, everything is very, very, very simple. And yes, you are not stuck up to English. You can see that there are other languages on offer as well, so you can choose your desired language. Of course, English should not be an issue in this particular instance because everything is very, very simple. And yes, as I mentioned, cross platform, multi devices. Trust factor, this is something I must highlight, the fact that it's very, very trustworthy. Remember that the same folks who invested in Facebook have actually invested in WorldRemit, that too a sum as big as 140 million US dollars. Naturally, they would have done their due diligence and they are sure of the quality of the platform, and that's why they've invested in it. Further, the trust factor is additionally highlighted by the fact that it has been rated excellent by WorldRemit's own customers on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a platform which confirms the trustworthiness of many such entities, and highlighting the fact that it's as easy as 1 2 3. You select the country, you add recipient details, send money. That's the whole process which I showed to you right up front. So it's as easy as 1 2 3. Yet again, backing up the claim made about Trustpilot, so you can see what people have said. So that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes this particular showcase of how easy it is to send money online from Italy to online. So grazie mille for watching. Arrivederci for now.